welcome back. Today I'm making salsa. I want you to look at these beautiful tomatoes. They're just starting to turn red from my backyard garden. And I got 3 pounds of cucumbers this morning. I picked all my peppers that I had ready. I've got cilantro from my little herb garden, and then I've got these beautiful jalapeno peppers. So I'm going to make some salsa today, and it's on page 203 of the Ball Book of Home Preserving, and it's called Fresh Vegetable Salsa. It's an easy recipe, and all you have to do is water bath can it. And so I've never tried this one before, so I'm a little excited. I don't like my salsa real hot, so I will be taking the seeds out of the hot peppers. Then for dinner tonight, I think I'm going to take some of that salsa and cut up some cucumbers and put in it, get it really cold, and then serve it with some tortilla chips with dinner tonight. So let's get busy. I've got to peel these tomatoes. I'm going to dip them in hot water until the skin cracks, then I'll peel them, chop them. I've got to chop up my peppers and the onion. So let's get busy chopping, and then we will make some pints of salsa. Alright, all the chopped vegetables are now added to a large stock pot, and I'm going to stir those up, mix them all together. And then we're going to add the rest of the ingredients. That is white vinegar, a teaspoon of cumin, and then a can of tomato paste. The little small cans of tomato paste. You just add those 3 ingredients in, and that's it. I will leave the recipe ingredients in the description box below, but again, you can find this recipe in the Ball Book of Home Preserving. So a nice pot full of delicious vegetables, tomato paste, vinegar, and cumin really makes a good salsa. So I bring it over to the stove, and I'm going to bring it to a boil. And then once it gets to a nice boil, I cut the heat down to about medium and boil it for 30 minutes. And there it is. All right, now it's time to water bath can And this process is so easy, I'm just going to let you watch and enjoy. Alright, I've got 4 beautiful jars of salsa ready to water bath can, and I'm going to put them in the canner and process them at 20 minutes. Now this one was not quite full, so I'm going to put that in the refrigerator and we'll have that with supper tonight. So let's put this in the water bath canner. So our supper tonight is pinto beans and ham with this salsa that I made today. And I did add the cucumber in there, trying to make it like a salad, salsa salad. And we're going to serve it up with these tortilla chips, the scoops. And it's going to be a good supper. So, you want to make your own salsa? It's easy, it's water bath canning, and it is delicious. Enjoy!